shit, yeah, mate. She is located and in place. Heck yeah, man. I mean, fuck, I've never done this before, but all in today's work and learning. So this is why I have it set up transversely. Most mechanics will have it the other way. But I have full access here with the handle, see? And the way I slide it on, I just take it bit by bit. I sort of set up with the 4 sort of bolts there. But I can now control it because I've got it on an angle. I can now control the side slip. So we're going to slowly just rotate this gearbox until it lines up. Yeah, we'll just slowly keep winding it in and then it'll line up as it just has now. With the starter bolt, that's what I'm looking for. We'll just grab a pry bar. Slide that in again just to make sure. There we go. That should be right. She's in. Oh shit, we are in. Transmission and engine in, baby. Fucking oath. So she runs, but no radiator or intercooler, so we can't keep it running for too long. But I just started up again, just to make sure. Sweet. Alright, we're going to take a break from the trucks because I know I've been doing the last few videos on mainly truck stuff and neglected this a little bit because I've gotten frustrated with it, obviously. But now I'm just keen to get back into it. So, got my shelving all set up. It's still a bloody mess. As you can see, we're getting there. I did say I was going to clean the place up, but it's taking a bit of time. But I'm going to get her on stands, drain the oil, and evaluate what we're going to do. And let's just get into it. Alright, so I was going to do a video on the manualized swap, or the manual conversion I did to the automatic transmission, but she started misfiring, so we pulled the plugs, quickly inspected them. Nothing came up, we didn't find any fuel or anything on them, unfortunately. Usually you would find fuel, especially in a misfire, so it kind of had me thinking that maybe it's the EFI ECU or something, but anyway. I haven't run her in about 2 weeks, so I'm just popping the plugs back in and lightly put the coils back on. Could still be a dead coil, so we'll see, but we'll see. Anyway. start missing. But she just was. Shit, she's gonna start missing. Is she? Oh. Oh, we got a problem. Fuel leak. So every now and then she'll pick up. There it is. So yeah, she's definitely missing. I don't think that's a coil. I just wanted to warm up so I can bloody keep the engine, but I don't even know how it's going at the moment. Is she up to temp? No, she's still cold. Fuck. Feeling warmer though, it's getting there. Yeah, every now and then. See that? Maybe an injector. I think it's an injector. Straight up injector, bro. She's alright. They look like, see that? Actually, I wouldn't be surprised, but I don't know. There's the neck there. Fuck, this stinks of fuel still. At least it's running for a bit. She doesn't sound happy, eh? So what's going on, baby? Listen to that. Bang, bang, bang. Oh shit, did you see that? Where did that come from? 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's shut this down. Please. So, pretty sure it's an injector. So we haven't actually talked about the GTI yet, and here it is, the Mark V. Obviously we're going to have to get some tail lights. She's a bit dirty, she's a bit messy, but she's alright. So here's Morris Modify's second home. The beast, the Honda. He's already done some mods. You can see he's fitted himself. His side skirts here. A little bit of a practice run. He's had to cut it. They're universal.
I was like, I'm here. It looks so much better.
Well, should do that now.
If I'm selling the car, I don't want to dig a hole in the fucking
Morris Modified's first video of Antonio and Jordan. Jordan fits his downpipe on the ground here without the jack. And Antonio fits his little struts.
So that he won't be able to see the hole unless if he gets under there.
Vtec!
He won't be able to go under there.
Oh shit. Ooh. Yeah, alright, let's show them the goodies. Okay, so the real reason I'm recording is also today. I'm playing. So we, as I said, we have a catback exhaust here, but we need a downpipe. So Jordan's actually bought a downpipe. There we go. Fucking big 3-inch, mate. I think 3-inch. Yeah, she's pretty shiny and the welds are pretty nice. Yeah, give us a close. Oh yeah, on the actual flange. Look at that. Oh. I actually need to. What a dickhead. So yeah, Tony's gonna fit his little struts there. Fuck yeah, mate!
That's a cost member.
It's handy.
On your oil can.
Oh shit! Oh shit.
feel it.
Don't do it too much. Just until it's tight.
Oh! Fuck! Slowly. You don't want that going through the car, man. Go through the radiator.